Hey guys, so before we go into our unit to pick up some produce, I want to tell you what we're going to do today for our recipe video, which will be a cucumber dill salad. And now let's get in and get some delicious produce. Hey Colin!
Hey Sam, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Pretty good. What can I get for you today?
So I would like some fresh dill.
Dill, okay. Anything else?
Yes, and the cherokee lettuce.
Awesome.
Oh, it smells so good.
Is that enough for you?
Yep, that should do it.
And then, and here is our Cherokee lettuce.
Oh, that's perfect. Just the head like that?
Just the one?
Yes.
Here you go.
Perfect. Thanks so much,
No
Colin.
problem.
See you later.
See ya.
All right, we got our produce, guys. Now back to the kitchen. All right, guys. Now back to our recipe, which is a cucumber dill salad. So here, I want to introduce the ingredients for you first. We have a Cherokee lettuce that we just picked from a farm. We have our dill, picked from a farm, fresh. We have a little bit of feta, cucumber, red onion, and then we have olive oil or our vinegar, salt and pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. All right, guys, now I will first start with making a lemon vinaigrette. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, or you can use apple vinegar or white vinegar, whatever you prefer. And I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of lemon sauce and a little bit of salt and pepper. Gonna stir it up here. Now our lemon vinaigrette is ready. All right, guys, now I'm gonna chop our cucumber here, and actually I'm gonna cut it in half. This is way easier. Okay, so I just cut it like in the center, cut it in small chunks. Okay, and this is such an easy preparation. It takes literally 5 minutes, and this is good for like a side salad, or just a quick salad if you just need to get out of the door. Okay, so okay, alright, so cucumber, onion, same thing. Get my bowl here. Now I'm gonna add our salad leaves. And you saw that we choose 1 head of salad. Just depends how many people you're doing this for, preparing for. I would say this is great for 2 people. Okay. All right, put this away. I'm gonna take a little bit of a dill, and I'm just breaking it with my hands. It's way easier. Okay. This over. Okay. All right. Dill. Gonna add in our cucumbers. There we go. Very fresh, light dish. Okay. And a little bit of onion. Okay. There we go. This is great. Gives a great taste. Put that away. I'm gonna chop it off with a little, top it off with a little feta cheese here. And finally, our lemon vinaigrette. Just pour out. All right. And again, I'm just gonna add a little more salt and pepper for more taste. Combine, stir a little bit. All right, guys, and now to the best part of actually tasting the produce. Here's our salad. This is so good, guys. Very fresh, very light. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can follow all the latest recipes that I'll post. And I'm very excited to see you guys soon next week. All right, guys, I'm bringing this salad to Colin, our grower, so he can taste it also.
Hey.
Hey, Colin, I just brought you the salad.
Awesome,
Have a
thank
taste.
you. They're really good.